Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Coupons with Abby. Happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a terrific day. So we are at Walgreens today. It has been a while since I've done a Walgreens coupon haul. I've been kind of leaning away from Walgreens, just to be honest. There's just been a lot of changes at Walgreens since I first started couponing here about 2 or 3 years ago. And every change I've always adapted to. The newest change being they've changed the layout of the ad. Now, obviously, that's not going to make me just stop couponing at Walgreens. I wanted to take the time to try to figure out how it works. I wanted to give myself time to adapt to it, and of course I was watching a bunch of other Walgreens videos from other YouTubers on here and seeing, you know, just basically getting the gist and trying to educate myself on the new system. But with that being said, I don't think I'll always be consistent at Walgreens. Obviously, the last couple weeks, I've just been kind of skipping over it. And it's not that the deals aren't there, it's that I was taking that time to try and adjust and adapt. But with all that being said, it still won't be a weekly thing where I go to Walgreens. I have been really enjoying my schedule now with CVS, Walmart, and Publix. And lately I've been doing a couple Dollar General videos, but it's just not gonna be a weekly thing anymore. It's not that I'm losing my love for Walgreens or that I just hate couponing here. I really do enjoy it. It's just something that I've decided to just kind of take it easy because the changes I just sometimes can't keep up with. But today I did place a curbside order yesterday evening, and I was super shocked that it got fulfilled. No out of stock items. I don't have to do any returns or exchanges. I am doing another Activate Rewards promotion. I don't know if y'all are sick of hearing about it, but it's just such a good deal, and I highly recommend it to everybody. The spend $25 on select Johnson & Johnson products, then get back a $10 Visa gift card. So it is a limit of 3 per household. This will be my 3rd time doing it, so I'll be maxed on the deal. So I did that deal via Curbside last night because I thought that the online pricing was the most bang for my buck. And they have a promo code for 25% off the entire site, so I wanted to take advantage of those savings. We will go over that here later in the video. I'm going to pick it up while I'm in store. Honestly, I don't have a game plan of anything that I want to grab in the store. There's a couple of things piquing my interest, but we will see. I'm kind of going in blind. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself because I'm also taking in my child. So we may catch a couple deals in the store, but my main focus was doing that Activate Rewards promotion because I think I've come up with a wonderful scenario for y'all, and it's under $5 for some great goodies. So we are going to go ahead and get right into the deals. Even if I don't grab anything in store, I'll probably show a montage of deals that you can consider this week that are great deals. Just personally, I don't need it in the house. I don't need it in the stockpile. I'm trying to lower down the stockpile before the new year, trying to sell bundles, make donations, that sort of thing. Anywho, we are going to go ahead and get into the store and talk about some deals. But first, if you are new, welcome. I am super excited that you found my channel. Please be sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload, as well as give the video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy it and Walgreens couponing. So I will have a printable list also down in the description box where you guys can follow along with these deals and the link to the Activate Rewards Visa promotions. So let's go ahead and get inside.
So like I said in the car, I didn't really have a game plan of what I really wanted to grab in store, but holy moly, the clearance in the hair aisle is popping for products that we get coupons for all the time, like Tresemme and Pantene, Garnier Fructis. So definitely check your stores, check your coupons, see if there's some matchups, because these are some really great prices. And even deodorant clearance on Dove dry sprays, Degree dry sprays, Dove Men, Degree Solid deodorant, and we have Ibotta and Fetch rebates, so definitely check your stores. I ended up passing on these today. We also have some Dollar Shave Club items that are actually Fetch Rewards rebates. Now, I had also uploaded a video yesterday of the kids must-haves for this Black Friday, Walgreens being included with the toy sale. I just want to show a couple of visuals of the buy 2 get 2 free. There was some great items, and of course there's plenty more in a separate aisle. There's also select toys that are 25% off. So if you have not seen that video yet, go ahead and check it out. I will link it in the description box because it is a good time to buy toys at Walgreens this week. The beauty and cosmetics were also looking really well. The Ardell false lashes, lots of them on clearance. I'm definitely coming back for those because I know a couple of people that I can throw this into their Christmas gifts. Also, some Real Technique makeup brushes. Those things are always pricey, so that is a nice find. And then some Tweezerman products as well. One deal I am going to do in store today is on the Viva paper towels at $3.99. We do have a Shopkick rebate for 15 scan kicks and 315 purchase kicks, so 330 kicks total, equaling $1.32. So that would make this pack just $2.67, which I think is a great stock up price. And then I believe the last deal I'm going to grab in store is on the Nautica colognes right here. They are buy one get one half off, originally priced $9.99, so my other half off item will ring up at $4.99, both totaling me $14.98 for buying two. I'll pay that out of pocket and submit to fetch rewards for $1 back on each. And then on Ibotta, we have two rebates attaching, one for $3 and one for $2. So that would total me $10 back from Ibotta, making both colognes just $2.98 or $1.50 each. And it is the perfect time to grab these and throw them into some stockings this Christmas. So we're going to go ahead, grab my pickup order, check out with this, and then go back home and see what all we grabbed. So for my pickup order, I went ahead and picked up two Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Washes. They are buy one get one half off this week. So one would ring up at $6.99, the other at $3.49, and I had a 4 off 2 digital coupon for this. No Walgreens cash or register reward promotion, but this is going to track towards that Activate Rewards promo that we are doing. Then you will see I grabbed one of these Listerine anti-cavity mouthwashes in Fresh Mint. This is a 16.9 fluid ounce bottle at $5.69. No coupon for this, but Listerine is a part of a deal this week where you spend $10, you'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So we weren't quite at $10 for that yet. You will see a couple of products I added here in a few minutes, but this is also eligible for that Activate Rewards promotion. Next deal I added to my curbside order was the Tom's of Maine children's toothpaste. Tom's of Maine products this week are buy two get $3 Walgreens cash, so I added two children's toothpaste that are included at $4.79 each, totaling me $9.58, and we have a $2 digital coupon we can use. And then here are the last two items I grabbed, which are those Listerine products to get me to the $25 to get my $10 reward from Activate Rewards, and then to meet that spend 10 threshold to get $5 Walgreens cash for the weekly promotion. I added one of the Pocket Mist Spray Mist at $4.79, and then one of the Pocket Pack strips. They are $4.99, and there was no coupons I had for the Listerine products at all. But you will see here in a second, I did use a promo code that really helped me out. Now we are looking at the coupons, that 4 off 2 Aveeno for the body washes, the $2 off the Colgate, which in the fine print it does specify Tom's of Maine is included, and then the promo code TAKE25 for 25% off site-wide. That ended up taking a total of $5.77 off of my cart. So just make sure when you are using a promo code like this or one of those percentage off coupons you get out of the Catalina machine that you still are meeting the spend threshold if you are doing a spend deal after that percentage is taken off. So I was still safe to use this and get my $5 Walgreens cash for spending $10 on Listerine. It just dropped it down to about $11 for those Listerine products. All right, and here is the order summary, $25.77 after tax. That's deducting the coupons and the promo code as well. Estimated Walgreens cash is $8.35. That being for the Listerine and Tom's of Maine deal. You can't always go off estimated Walgreens cash, and especially if you're doing a register reward deal, it's not going to show you the register reward amount back when you place a curbside order. Just a heads up. I also did use $5 in Walgreens cash to lessen my out of pocket. So now let's go to the kitchen table and talk about this. Okay, so we are home from Walgreens. Everything went super well in store and the curbside order was fulfilled. So it was a good day at Walgreens. That clearance, y'all, is insane. I assume they're just trying to clear out the shelves to make room for new items coming in the new year. So definitely pop into your Walgreens sometime and check it out, especially if you have coupons to pair with it. I didn't grab any clearance items today. Those deodorants were really speaking to me because we have rebates on Fetch Rewards and Ibotta, but it would still be a small cost, and I'm a cheapskate. So those Ardell lashes, though, I'm going to go back for them because I have a couple of gift exchanges coming up, and I know a couple of people that would like some false lashes. So that is that. So we're going to go over the in-store transaction first, which I should have laid this out better. I should put the Toms over there because that was a part of the curbside, but the in-store was just the Viva and the Nautica. There was nothing else really crazy to me. I mean, there's some good deals this week, but just deals that I'm not personally interested. I don't think our household needs, I would say. So just the Viva and the Nautica. We will go over the receipt. So the Nautica did ring up buy one, get one half off, and the Viva at $3.99, which I think is a terrific sale price, as is, leaving my subtotal at $18.97. I used $10 in Walgreens cash to pay that, and we got no Walgreens cash back because they were not on any certain type of promotion. But I did submit to Fetch Rewards for $2.03 back on the Nautica sprays. On Shopkick, we got back 15 scan kicks for scanning those in store, and then 315 purchase kicks, so 330 kicks total. That would be $1.32 back. And then on Ibotta, $10 back for the Nautica, which I think is insane. If you don't like the whole double dip, if it makes you uncomfortable with Ibotta, I would not clip both offers because they will both automatically apply. I would just clip one or the other. But I got back $10, $3 for each, and $2 for each. So that leaves a final cost for the paper towels and the Nautica at $5.62 or $1.87 each, which is fantastic for paper towels and these nice body sprays. I definitely think I'll try to incorporate that in some gifts this year for some family members. Also, while I was in store, when I went to pick up my curbside order, I had this spend booster print out for me at the Catalina, spend 40, get back 9. Now, as far as I've heard, nobody got a digital booster to use this week. And I was kind of counting on a paper booster to spit out for me. Hopefully one that was about a $20 threshold, so then I could get some cash back, more cash back for the Nautica and Viva. But that was the only couple deals I wanted in the store today, and that didn't get me up to 40 to use. So I think I will save that for the Black Friday shopping to get some cash back. Now, my curbside order was the Toms of Maine and then the Listerine and Aveeno products. The Listerine and Aveeno products I was grabbing for the Activate Rewards Winter Wellness promotion, and the Toms of Maine was just a good deal, and we don't get many deals on children's toothpaste. So I will go ahead and show the receipt for that. Now, the pricing will look a little odd because I did use that 25% off promo code TAKE25. So this is how it ended up ringing up. As far as coupons, we just used the 4 off 2 Aveeno and the $2 off 1 Toms, leaving my subtotal at $23.76. I did use $5 in Walgreens cash to lessen my out-of-pocket. Now for this, I will submit to the Activate Rewards site for $10 back on the Aveeno and Listerine products. Also, I want to note that when you are on their site, they do offer a list of all the products included down to the UPC numbers. You definitely want to look at that list because even though, it says the products that are included, certain sizes may not be included. You definitely want to watch that, especially for the Listerine mouthwash. Now, this particular one, the Total Care Fresh Mint, it had to be 16.9 fluid ounces, and that was the one I grabbed. So you definitely want to check out that list and use it to your advantage because certain sizes may not qualify for the rebate. So I also went ahead and submitted to Ibotta for $2.10 back, $1 for the pocket mist, and $1 for the pocket packs, and 10 cents for uploading any receipt. I did get back my $5 Walgreens cash for spending 10 on Listerine, and $3 Walgreens cash for the Toms of Maine, making the toothpaste and all those items over here for the Activate Rewards promotion just $3.66 or 52 cents each, which I really think is very reasonable for Listerine and Aveeno. I am very happy with that. So in total today, everything roughly would have cost us about $63 just sale price, but the final cost ends up being $9.28 or 92 cents each for 10 items. Definitely not a freebie haul, and I'm sure everybody's like, what the heck, Abby? $9? I'm a cheapskate. But also, I'm okay with grabbing this stuff for 92 cents each because it is very nice quality items and we didn't have a lot to work with at Walgreens, but I did want to stop in there and do that Activate Rewards deal, and the Nautica, that was terrific. So under $10 is fine with me for the amount of stuff we got and the quality. So that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you're doing any Walgreens shopping this week. I will upload a Walgreens Black Friday shopping video later on in the week. I believe I'll combine that with my CVS Black Friday shopping. And of course, we'll be using that little paper booster that we got to get some more bang for our buck. Just stick around to see that later in the week. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!